Click on the link below to get discount. The HOVERAir X1 PROMAX 8K drone with camera is an impressive piece of technology that combines a range of cutting-edge features with user-friendly design, making it suitable for both seasoned drone enthusiasts and newcomers alike. From its captivating 8K video capabilities to its compact, foldable design, this drone aims to redefine what users should expect from an aerial photography platform. One of the standout features of the HOVERAir X1 PROMAX is its 8K camera. This exceptional resolution allows for stunningly clear and vibrant videos and images, elevating the quality of aerial photography to a level that many drones in this price range simply cannot match. With the ability to shoot in such high resolution, users can expect to capture incredible detail in their shots, making it an ideal choice for filmmakers, vloggers, and anyone looking to create high-quality content. The camera also boasts a 120-degree field of view, ensuring that you can capture wide landscapes or group shots without missing anything important. Stability is another key aspect where the HOVERAir X1 PROMAX excels. Equipped with advanced stabilization technology, this drone provides smooth and steady footage, even in windy conditions. This feature is particularly beneficial for those who prioritize high-quality video, as shaky footage can detract from the overall viewing experience. The drone's GPS-assisted flight capabilities further enhance its stability and precision, allowing for accurate positioning and tracking, which is crucial for capturing those perfect aerial shots. The drone is designed with portability in mind. Its foldable design makes it easy to transport, allowing users to take it on trips or outdoor excursions without the hassle of carrying bulky equipment. When folded, the HOVERAir X1 PROMAX is remarkably compact, fitting snugly into a backpack or even a large handbag. This feature is especially appealing to travelers or adventure seekers who want to document their experiences without the burden of cumbersome gear. User-friendliness is a hallmark of the HOVERAir X1 PROMAX. The accompanying app is intuitive and easy to navigate, offering a variety of features such as one-tap flight modes, customizable settings, and live video streaming. Beginners will appreciate the one-key takeoff and landing feature, which simplifies the flying experience and reduces the learning curve. For more experienced pilots, the app provides advanced settings that allow for greater control over flight and camera functions, catering to both casual users and pros alike. Battery life is another area where the HOVERAir X1 PROMAX shines. With a flight time of up to 30 minutes per battery charge, users can enjoy extended aerial adventures without constantly worrying about recharging. The drone comes with an extra battery, which doubles the potential flying time, making it a fantastic choice for those planning longer outings. The ease of swapping batteries also contributes to a more seamless flying experience, allowing users to keep the action going without significant downtime. Safety features are also thoughtfully incorporated into the design of the HOVERAir X1 PROMAX. The drone includes obstacle avoidance sensors that help prevent collisions, making it easier to navigate complex environments, especially for less experienced pilots. Additionally, the return-to-home function ensures that the drone will automatically return to its takeoff point if it runs low on battery or loses connection, providing peace of mind during flights. However, no product is without its drawbacks. While the HOVERAir X1 PROMAX is an excellent choice for many users, it may not be as robust as some higher-end models designed for professional filmmakers. The build quality, while solid, may feel less durable than that of competitors in the professional arena, which could be a concern for users looking for a drone capable of withstanding harsh conditions. Moreover, while the 8K video quality is impressive, the file sizes can be quite large, requiring ample storage space and potentially demanding more from your editing setup than 4K footage would. In conclusion, the HOVERAir X1 PROMAX 8K drone with camera is a remarkable option for anyone seeking a high-quality, foldable drone packed with features. Its 8K camera, stability, user-friendly controls,